viewers, I am Sarim Khan and today I am back with my new question. So today we have this question that is of JEE Mains 2/9/2020 of second shift. So today this question we have. So first of all, let us read our question and after that we'll be solving this question that was asked this year, in 2020 in JEE main paper. So first of all, our question is that if momentum P, area A and time T are taken to be the fundamental quantities, then the dimensional formula for energy is, A option has been given. First, P A power minus 1 T power minus 2. Second is P A power 1 by 2 and T power minus 1. Third is P square A T power minus 2 and fourth is P power 1 by 2 A T power minus 1. So this is our question. So first of all, we'll be beginning our solution from here. So first of all, from here we'll be beginning our solution. So first, what is given, we need to confirm this, that first of all, just like where those are taken to be the fundamental quantities, since we know that actually those are actually just like this is of course fundamental quantity, but those are not fundamental quantities. But here the question is saying that take them as fundamental quantities. Then we have to take, later we have to find the dimensional formula for energy. So what we can write, if energy depends upon momentum, area and time, then of course they will be proportional. Then we can write that energy first of all is proportional to the momentum, later energy is proportional to the area, and finally energy is also proportional to the time. This we can have. Now from this what conclusion will be getting, that implies that energy is proportional to the P power A. Let that be P power A, because of course on this something power may come, so P power A. Now times our A power, A power B, let this power be B, and finally our T power C. This we can get this conclusion that E is proportional to the P power A times A power B times T power C. Just like here, now only what we have to do, we need to replace this this symbol of proportionality with equals to. So here equals to symbol will come, then here any proportionality constant K will fall. So when this proportionality constant K will fall, but even then K is always dimensionless, so there will be no uses of K in finding this or driving this formula. That is dimensional formula. So in this just like here, K is not given in any of the equation because it is unitless and it is dimensionless. It is dimensionless. So first of all, then K, what we can write, then first of all, now since we know, now we'll be doing this by comparing the dimensional formulas. Just like first let me explain that energy, what is for energy? Generally we can see that for energy it is ml square T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of energy. Now here what we can see, now this we have to check. So first of all, momentum is given here. First of momentum will be doing latter area, latter time, latter power A, B, C. So first of all, of momentum, since we know here roughly we can do momentum is mass into velocity. Now mass into velocity is ml T power minus 1. Then this we can write of momentum. So here ml T power minus 1. Now power A, power A. Now times this, it is L square. For area it is L square power B. Now for time it is time itself, T power C. This we can have. Now we need to simplify this little more. So what we can write, that here to ml T power minus 1 power A, we can write as A will come here, here and here. So this we can write as m power A, which is equals to m power A. Now L power A also it will come, then here also it is L square power B. So L square power B is L power 2B. Now this and this will be multiplying L and L. So after multiplying, what will be getting? L power, it will be L power A. Now this exponent will be added in this. So L power A plus 2B. So this will be L power A plus 2B. Now of time we can see, so it is T power minus A, as A will come here. So T power minus A. Now here T power C is present, so time is T power minus A plus A. This exponent will be added. Now this we are getting, so finally one formula, this we are getting m power A, L power A plus 2B and T power minus A plus C. Now we need to compare the formulas. So while comparing the formulas, we can write, implies that the m, since we know energy is equals to this, its value we have, energy value we have, then energy, what dimensional formula will be present, that will be equals to dimensional formula of this. So this we can write, for energy it is ml square T power minus 2, then implies that the ml square t power minus 2 is equals to what? So here is equals to symbol will come. So is equals to what? This equation. So okay, just like let me explain. Let this be equation number. Okay, let this be equation number first and let this be equation number second. Now since we know equation first will be equals to equation second because this is energy, and when we'll be solving this, then this also will be getting energy. So this and the equation first and second will be equal. Then this is why equation first means ml square t power minus 2 equals to equation second, that is m power a. Okay, now here l power a plus 2b. Now t power minus a plus c, this has been given to us. Okay, now t power minus a plus c. Now we'll compare the values. So first of all, now m is equals to m, this since we know. So m power here power 1 is, here power 1 is. So m power 1 will be equals to m power a, since this we know. Okay, since we know how to compare. So now m power 1 equals to m power a implies that the a equals to 1, a equals to 1, this we got, this is equals to this, then a equals to 1. Now what we can see, a plus 2b, a plus 2b equals to 2, okay, then a plus 2b is equals to 2. Now a value we have got implies that then at the place of a its value will be putting 1 plus 2b equals to 2, then 1 will be going this side, then 2b is equals to, here 1 will come, implies that the b is equals to 1 by 2. Now b value we got 1 by 2, just like 1 this a value we got, 1 this b value we got. Now finally c value we have to write. Then now here we can write c, here now what we can write is that now this is given to us and this is given to us. So what is given? Minus a plus c on t it is minus, okay, power minus a plus c is equals to minus 2, is equals to minus 2. Okay, here let me write minus a plus c is equals to minus 2, minus a what we have value, just like a value we have 1, then minus a value minus 1 plus c is equals to minus 2, this will go here, then c is equals to, finally our value will be getting c is equals to minus 1, this will be going here, then it will happen minus 1. So c value we got 1 minus 1. Now only what we have to do, what, okay, now we will have to put these values. Okay, put these values in this equation. We'll be putting those values of A, B and C in this equation. So finally our what we can write, that energy is equals to K is dimensionless. Here dimensional formula will be putting. So finally what will be getting? K E. Okay, now P power. What is the value of A equals to 1. So no need to write now. Okay, this is present. After that B value 1 by 2. And now B is present on A. So A power 1 by 2. Now here finally C value minus 1, that is on T power minus 1. So finally what equation we are getting? P A power 1 by 2 T power minus 1. So here we can see in first option it is P A power minus 1 T power minus 2, and in second it is P A power 1 by 2 T power minus 1. That is matching to this, implies that the second option is correct. So finally we are getting that the option second, that is P A power 1 by 2 T power minus 1 is correct. So this was my today's topic. Thank you.